Hello everyone! So we're going to do a quick explanation of nested for loops, because as far as I remember, I have not done such things. So nested for loops is, well, a for loop inside of a for loop. Now I have it demonstrated here. We have the first one here using int I, the second one using int j. And I have it just simply printing out what I currently is, and then specifying if it's the outer or the inner loop, and obviously here it's using j. So of course when we run this, we get this. So let's decipher. So first thing that comes out is 0 on the outer loop, which makes sense if we're reading top to bottom. You get to 0 as the current state. Then it gets interesting, of course. 0 on the inner loop, that's kind of what you'd expect. They both do start at 0. But then you have 1 and then 2 on inner loop. The inner loop completes itself. Then it returns back to the outer loop, and now the outer loop is at 1. Then the inner loop starts back over at 0 again. Then it goes to 1, then to 2. So it once again completes itself all the way, then comes back up to the top loop for outer loop 2, then returns for one final time to fully complete the inner loop, and then the outer loop is completed. There's a lot of interesting ways you could do this, like if you wanted to build a pyramid that looks something of the sort like... Here, let me get us a bunch of lines here. If you wanted something to come out like plus, then plus plus, plus plus plus, then plus 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 plus, and then have it like shrink back down. Oh, underestimated the amount of spaces I would need. And then a plus. If you wanted to do something like this geometric shape, you can use creative use of the nested loop here to create such a thing. I'd be interested in seeing you guys trying to create that and sending me your results. I know some of you guys actually watch these. They're not as popular as my goofing around videos, but I still think learning coding is important, so I think I might reduce the amount of overall programming stuff on my channel. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna give it a little bit longer and see. But I might have like a single day dedicated to programming stuff, and then another day dedicated to something else, so you know what day of the week to show up if you have a particular interest in one thing or another. That way everybody gets what they're interested in. So if you think that that sounds like something you'd be interested in, that like day of the week scheduling based on what kind of video, let me know in the comments below. But for now, I will see you guys next time. Mwah!